Okay, this is try not to hit the dodgeball.
I doubt I'm going to do this.
Oh.
I got hit. Whose trick is that? Hey guys, don't
It's Nicholas's. That was a good shot.
Okay, always face it on me. I'm aiming at your balls this time. I bet you can't. You have to be where the aimer is.
Oh, over here? Wait.
Yeah, Nick, you have to be over here by the camera.
Oh, yeah. You have to come over by me.
Okay. It's like, hey! You can't do that. You can't step up. You can't step up, Nick. Look there.
That'd be cool if you could jump over that, huh?
No, tell me in next video. Definitely be in next video. Almost did it.
So you can do your turn. You do it.
Almost did. This video is trying not to hit by the dog. And you gotta jump over your skateboard. What's a scooter? I've done it a bunch of times.
I headbutt my camera when I'm done.
Do ya? Okay, that's a perfect move.
Go. Oh, Gavin made it! Go back to me. Can I throw it? Don't miss. You want to throw the ball? No. It's my turn. I haven't done it.
Yeah, you have. You hit me right in the ear.
Yeah, you did. Face!
You nailed him, huh?
If you didn't use face, that's the only one time.
Gavin, throw it or I'm not doing mine too.
Why don't you try it? Honey, you don't have to go over the. You don't have to go over the skateboard. Okay. You can.
And I'm doing it.
They don't always make it, hun. Hey,
Come on, guys. Come on.
I'm the cameraman for all the tricks.
Make him face this way. Face it this way.
Let me see.
Whatever.
I've only done it once.
Stop arguing.
Go.
There you go.
Ooh.
That's best trick dodgeball combo?
Hurry, hit the ball. Throw it on the car.
And I just caught some evidence.
Yeah. Go, Gavin. You gotta go, buddy.
This is a stunt video, not a hitting video. Because you hate me. Okay, you got me.
Oh.
Can I be the camera and you throw it hard?
You want me to throw it? Yeah. Let's see if I can.
Throw it hard. All of us too. Okay.